on the Range by S Omar Barker. When your boots are full of water and your hat brim's all adrip, and the rain makes little rivers dribbling down your horse's hip. When every step your pony takes, it pert near bogs him down, it's then you get to thinking of them boys that work in town. There may be selling ribbons, there may be slinging hash, but they've got a roof above them when the thunder starts to crash. They do their little doings, be their wages low or high, but let it rain till hell's a pond, they're always warm and dry. Their beds are stuffed with feathers, or at worst, with plenty straw, while your old soggy soogans may go floating down the draw. They've got no rope to fret about that kinks up when it's wet. There ain't no puddle forming in the saddle where they sit. There's women folks to cook up all the chuck they most admire, while you gnaw cold, hard biscuits, 'cause the cook can't build a fire. When you're riding on the cattle range and hit a rainy spell, your whiskers get plumb mossy. And you note a mildewed smell on everything from leather to the makings in your sack. And you get the chilly quivers from the water down your back. You couldn't pull your boots off if you hitched them to a mule. You think about them ribbon clerks and call yourself a fool. Forever punching cattle with a horse between your knees instead of selling ribbons and a taking of your ease. You sure do get to pondering about them jobs in town where slickers ain't a-drippin' and when the rain comes sluicing down. It's misery in your gizzard, and you sure do aim to quit and take most any sheltered job you figure you can get. But when you've got your neck all bowed to quit without a doubt, the rain just beats you to it, and the sun comes bursting out. Your wet clothes start to steamin', and most everywhere you pass you notice how that week of rain has livened up the grass. That's how it is with cowboys. When a rainy spell is hit, they hang on till it's over. And there ain't no need to quit.